Week in my life, student and business owner. So here's me walking the people arrive at school and I have to take one class today since magla-lesson for basic life support din para makapag-practice for the practicals. Against the light. Dito na lang din para may araw.
Dedex din ata yun eh.
May what? May what? May 7.
Hobo. A day in my life?
Gago lang talaga ko sa research natin.
Kailan ba yun?
Ethics, papansin.
Bukas?
Ano ba? Hindi, next week pa.
Or next week na.
Say hi.
Ano?
Say hi.
Bye, bitch.
So here's us taking some notes and listening to our proctor since he's discussing about basic life support.
30 chest compressions. So, na-open na natin to. Usually, okay, dito makikita nyo kasi may blinker siya. May red, may yellow, may green na light. Okay? Hirap kasi pag ano yung... Usually kasi 30. Ang goal mo in 1 minute should be 100 to 120. Okay? So, pwede na tayo mag-start. Okay? After 30, tilt the head, open the mouth. Kung magmamouth to mouth lang kayo, pinch the nose, then blow. So dito, yung mono na to, okay, umaangat talaga siya. So pinch, tilt, pinch, then blow. Okay? Dalawang rescue breath yun. Magkala mo pang content?
Yung boy sabi.
Kaya nila yan. Kaya nila yan.
Ay, tatay! Lakas niya nga.
Yan.
Ay, wow!
Ay, wow.
Hindi pa yan.
Yeah, and I just got home and it's time for a jog since I have time pa. 5:30. We're going home now. I'm home. So here's me preparing the food of my dog para bago ko umakyat, nakakain na sila. Hi guys, it's currently May 8th and let's start the day by doing get ready with me. Go to school para maging presentable naman tayo for today's video. bago ko pa makalimutan ang lahat, let's wear our ID and don't forget to have some good food. Para naman hindi tayo magkalimutan ng mga accessories.
Bakit?
A week in my life.
Natapos.
A week in my life yan. Totoo ba? Oo. Paano nalaman? Ay, sila rin ba? Ay, hindi rin. Sino ba? Site prof na napuntahan ko sa site.
Hindi ko kilala yung niya, pero may abigal na reference sila. Kaya nanonood sa Marikina.
At the end of our meeting, good morning. At the end of our meeting, I want to talk to those students.
Baka di bumili ng puso sa akin.
Tara na, Mina. Uy, dito tayo.
After we have dinner, we went straight to our shop to check our stuff because it's really multiple.
Ano pala kay 800 yung trim ni
Sure yun?
Sabi ni Gete, 800 daw yung kay Kakashi. Doon sa may massage. Tapat ng Wilcon.
Ah,
Paano na natin yung
pag-sweldo na nga daw ni Ninang.
PMC?
It's currently May 7. The coffee at Beverly to have chill. Check it out. Yeah, off to shop again. It's currently May 10. I'm with my sister. First, hindi na ito kakainin.
Oo yan, sabi niya kalahati. Basa mo.
Hindi, pero may sarap yung magaw niya.
Hindi sa bitter kasi ginaw-ginaw ko. Marami nga din sila.
We just got home and I have online class for 3 subjects today. Yeah, it's me.
Tisha Marica Ber.
Prof and
Tisha Marica Ber. Present. Samantha Gabriel Cruz.
Present po.
I'm not feeling well.
Jose Mabrit de los Santos.
Present po, ma'am.
Mary Joyce Dapiles. Present po. Juliana Estorque. Juliana Estorque, not here. Kyla Marie Francisco. Present po. Hardy Ganatise. Roxanne Dianan. Roxanne Dianan, not here. Felicity Papers Agregorio. Is not here. Justin Joyce Ihe. Justin Joyce, not here. Sean Stewart Javier. Is not here. Okay, Techi Joyce Muro. Techi Joyce Muro is not here. Okay, Sir Ann Munoz. Julina Ocasla.
Mother's Day. Monday, May 11. So we'll see what's in our stuff, within the orders. Yeah, so we'll see that on the top. That's it. We're going to close. mag naman yung tao. So, just rush to them and help them para mapabilis yung mga ito. Finally, I'm home. Tired. Need to sleep. Hey, inside. There's my dog, Lolo. Hi. Hindi, joke lang. Ano, magkano?
4670.
467. Double check it.
May ice din.
May ice dito, 1/3. Yes.
Tama?
Yeah.
Ito po nga magkamay.
It's Tuesday. And I'm off to school. My class is 8 a.m.
Basically, hair follicle receptors have something to do with the detection of the hair follicles. Basically, ito ang mga balahibo natin.
Hindi ko naman yung video dyan. Wala akong dami. Kaya tinatanong ko pa kami. Hindi na, ano ko na lang. Hindi na. Kahit pagbalik tayo. Okay na yan. Okay, hindi bibidyo. Battery ko. Hindi na, may video naman ako sa kapag. Ano pa? BP. Yeah, yan na lang. Ano pa kakapay? DJ ko naka-timelapse na. Kay? DJ. Bro, yung pinanood ko. Ay, ano pala naman. Timelapse na siya. Same pa video mo. Ayaw. Talaga ng lunchbox? Because ikaw ang mabat. Mas kailangan. Ikaw ang una. Kahit na. Ikaw maglagay sa kanya. Wala na yung naka-play yan. Play na.
May tanong ako sa'yo mamaya. Ba't kilala mo yung mga basketball player? Kilala mo talaga?
Kailangan ba ikaw lang?
Ha? Ritual natin. Sino? Bakit kilala mo yun?
And after that, I just went to tricycle and went home straight. Kasi sobrang init that time.
The class for today is done.
That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!